Hi guys, as spring is here and summer is approaching, I thought I would show you guys 4 trendy ways to style a silk scarf as a top. First up, we got this super cute halter neck top. So what you want to do is to loosely tie the ends together first, which will be the first knot. And then take the 2 ends again and tie them around your neck. And once you have done that, you're gonna tie the rest of the 2 ends together in the back. Then we have this triangle top that is so easy to make. You just have to fold it into a triangle, then double knot it in the back, and you're done. So easy and cute. I've seen this top everywhere on Instagram and on Pinterest, and people like Bella Hadid, Beyonce and other queens and kings rocking this piece of item, and I'm pretty sure that they are a very hot thing for this summer too. Then we have this bikini type of a scarf top. I think that this is probably my favorite one. First you want to fold the scarf, then you bring the 2 ends to the front and tie them together and make sure it covers up the places. I would actually recommend wearing a strapless bra underneath, but yeah, check the back and adjust the top if needed, and there you have a super cute top. And lastly, we have this tube top. It's quite similar with the second one, but you just have to take the bottom part and tuck it in the pants to create a tube top. So fold it into a triangle, then double knot it in the back and tuck in the excess fabric. And that's it. So we only got 4 ways to style the scarf here, but I think that scarf is a super versatile accessory. You can literally wear it more than 50 different ways. I can definitely show you guys more styles, just let me know. I think that scarves are so easy to thrift, flip or revamp into trendy tops. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!